Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today topic I am just going to start, that is how to make a collect leader. So what is collect leader? So collect leader is nothing but, the collect leader in AutoCAD organize the selected multi-leaders that contain blocks into rows or columns. Okay. So now let's see how we are going to make this collect leader. Now example, see now if I'm having one diagram, like if I'm having one footing design here, example. So I'm just making one example diagram for that. So if I'm having this footing, that is F1, F2, F3, F3. So for that one, what I'll do here, so we are just going to take a collect. So here in the leader option, you can see the collect option. So before going to take a collect option, so what we need to do here, so we have to go for the in annotation, that is multi-leader style. So under multi-leader style, what we have to do, go to modify option. Under modify option, that is content option, under multi-leaders type, here we have to convert into block. This multi-leader type we have to convert into block, and just click OK, and make sure that you have to click as a set current and close. After closing, what we need to do, so directly we should not take collect here. So first we have to take a leader. If you take a leader here, I'll just select this one leader here. Now I'm just going to give this one, and you can see this enter view and enter sheet is showing. So here I'll just give 0 1, that is 0 1 I'll give. So sorry, here I'll just give this one as a F1. So here I'll just give this one as a footings. If I'll give footings here, I'll click OK. Once if I'll click OK, now I can able to see this one F1 is showing as a footing. Now again I'll take this one leader here, same leader. Now I'm just going to take this here. So now here I'm just going to give this one as F2. So now in the sheet number I'll leave as it is, and I'll just give an empty space to this one. Now it is showing F2. Now again I'll take a leader for this one. Now again for this one I'll just make this one as F3. So sheet number I'll just give this one empty and click OK. Now you can see this one. Now I want to make a collect for this one. So what I'll do here, I'll take a collect option again in this leader option. Now it's asking to select the multi-leaders. Now I'll select the multi-leaders, enter this one. Once if you are entering, now you can select and you can place. Now you can see this one. Now three leaders comes under one leader. So that is known as collect. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.